Hello everyone, today I'm reading Angel the Brave Bird. So let's start. Ray bought a parrot. He named her Angel. Angel sat on a perch all day and played with Ray. Ray taught her to say his name. He gave her tasty nuts and grapes. Angel was very well behaved. Ray had trained her well. Let's play a game, Ray. Angel learned to say. When Ray danced, Angel would sway her body. Angel learned to bark like Ray's dog Dave. One day, Ray took Dave for a walk. A cat entered and made its way towards the bird. Angel was very afraid and began to shake. I have to chase this cat away, she thought. The brave bird began to bark like Dave. The cat ran away and Angel was safe. The end.